Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products and help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic battle between two powerful motherboards. On the left, we have the Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi, and on the right, we have the ASUS TUF Gaming A520M-PLUS Wi-Fi AMD AM4 Micro ATX motherboard. Let the showdown begin. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price. The Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi comes in at a cool $94, while the ASUS TUF Gaming A520M-PLUS Wi-Fi will set you back $99. So if you're on a tight budget, the Gigabyte option might be your best bet. Now let's talk about processor compatibility. The Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi supports a wide range of processors, including AMD 3rd Gen Ryzen, 2nd Gen Ryzen, 1st Gen Ryzen, and even Athlon with Radeon Vega graphics. Meanwhile, the ASUS TUF Gaming A520M-PLUS Wi-Fi is ready for Ryzen 5000 series, 4000G series, and 3000 series desktop processors. So both motherboards have you covered no matter which generation you prefer. Next up, let's dive into connectivity. The Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi boasts Intel dual-band 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming A520M-PLUS Wi-Fi takes it up a notch with not only 802.11 AC Wi-Fi but also TUF LANGuard and TurboLAN technology, perfect for online gaming enthusiasts. It's time to level up your gaming experience. Now let's talk about storage and expansion options. The Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi features an ultra-fast PCIe Gen3 x 4M.2 slot with support for both PCIe NVMe and SATA modes. It also comes with 4 DIMM slots for dual-channel Non-ECC Unbuffered DDR4 memory. On the other side, the ASUS TUF Gaming A520M-PLUS Wi-Fi offers a whopping 32 gigabits per second M.2 onboard slot, SATA 6 gigabits per second, and USB 3.2 Gen 1 type of ports. So whether you need extra storage or expansion capabilities, both options have got you covered. Last but not least, let's talk about aesthetics. The Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi keeps it classy with high-quality audio capacitors and an audio noise guard design. Meanwhile, the ASUS TUF Gaming A520M-PLUS Wi-Fi brings the gaming vibes with ASUS-exclusive Aura Sync RGB lighting and RGB headers for ultimate customization. So if you want your motherboard to match your gaming setup, the ASUS option is calling your name. Both motherboards have their strengths, from price to processor compatibility, connectivity to storage options, and even aesthetics. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi and the ASUS TUF Gaming A520M-PLUS Wi-Fi has come to an end. Both motherboards have their strengths, from price to processor compatibility, connectivity to storage options, and even aesthetics. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information on these products. Remember, stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart. Happy shopping, everyone!